I hear a really noisy unit. I think this good one here. This is a CKL from 2003, I think. So this is the only good one here. That one is loud. And then all of these here are just more carriers. That Goodman is noisy. That's like one of the noisiest units I've seen here so far on this trip. Yeah, it sounds amazing. It sounds a lot like the one at our uncle's house. They got replaced it apparently.
Which one is the noisy?
We had a very noisy carrier. You can hear that thing from across the street. This one is really loud. I don't really feel like getting the data off of it though, but it's quite noisy. And then, oh, there's a Goodman right here. This one is kind of noisy. It's like a new one, I think. Let's see, what is over there? Is that a Texas 1000 or a carrier? Right. Oh, just another carrier. And this Goodman is running. Maybe we'll get the data. Well, I can't really see it. It's huge carrier. Oh, this Goodman is running. Very quiet. Check it out. Never seen that before. Huh. Okay. Oh, there's a Goodman here who's running. Quiet. There's Smart Comfort from I think 2024. And there's another Smart Comfort here that's running. That's quite nice. I hear something over there. That house has really good Halloween decorations. Anyways. I think I saw a Goodman here. Oh, these are quite noisy. There is a Goodman here. Okay. I don't think it has been running. I think. Wait. That is running. I think there might be another Goodman over here as well. There's another Goodman here. Look, the line is. Look how sweaty that compressor is. Can I wait for it started? Yeah. Get it started up. I'm going to try to get it started of it. I'm not sure if I've already filmed these. Maybe I already filmed them, but I'm not sure. There's also has a Copeland. Yeah, I think it was running recently. Should we wait? Try this one again. This one has a Copeland. I'll just put the line filter here. Oh, the compressor this one. compressor is definitely running because the line set is cold, so huh. Yeah, I was hoping it would be a lot noisier than that though, but at least I did get it starting up. I'll review the footage. Here are some air conditioners. I think that's an old Brian. Oh, this one is very... Oh wait, no, it's that one that's running. Probably has a rotary. But yeah. Oh, I think all of these have rotaries. There's a bunch of carriers there as well. I'm not gonna go to them. Oh, there's more good ones here. That one has a scroll in it. I think that has a sound blanket. Yeah, I don't feel like getting to the data of those. There's more Goodmans. Yeah, these ones have rotaries, but what about this one? I think that has a scroll in it too, but there's a lot of them there. Literally right here. It's a huge one. Looks like a brand new one. I think that also has a scroll in it. I think they all do. Oh shit.
I think it's a 4-ton, but it's huge. It's like really big and fat.
Let's see here.
Here's two older ones, I think.
Maybe I could get the data on that one. But I'm not sure.
Actually, I think these are slow.
That one is
Oh,
running.
this has a reset.
Has it been running?
This one has a reset.
Wait.
Yeah, it's cold and sweaty.
Should I wait for a startup?
Yeah, and we just like sit down over here.
Maybe I'll put the camera here somewhere. It was been filming for 17 minutes, but I was already filming the video before, so yeah, I'm gonna turn it off now. At least I got it starting up. Oh, here's a new carrier. There's some more Goodmans there. Alright, there's a new one. I don't know what compressor this one does. It's very quiet though. Yeah, I don't feel like more over here. Oh, I hear a nice sounding one. There's a lot of like acorns falling. Not sure, I don't think that has been running. I wanted to get one of those starting up. Like the compressor of that one sounds nice, but it's like kind of rattling. And my battery's dropping, so I can't film that much more videos.
I don't know where that really noisy one was.
I think it was over
They
there.
were smoking on.
One of these just started. Oh, nice! I got a carrier starting up.
So I think those ones have reset.
Yeah, I think one of these was running before and it was quite noisy.
I'm not sure which one it was though.
Like one of
Maybe it
those.
was.
But now it's not running, but at least I got one of the old Bryans turning on.
I think we filmed these ones last time we were here.
Maybe. I'm not sure if I filmed these actually. Wait, no, I already filmed these ones.
I don't think it was here. These are most of the ones.
has a reset. This one also does. Yeah, this one I think might have been running.
Pretty sure we already filmed.
Yeah, maybe we did film these ones already. One of those running have a reset? I think so. Not this one. Yeah, this is a new one here. I think all of this have squirrels in them. That one is noisy. No, I think all of these have rotaries in them. And then obviously going anywhere else. I can't tell. No, I think it has a rotary. And I have 10%, so. Some noisy ones here. I think most of these have rotaries too. This one has a reset. I think it has been running though. Yeah, that's all it is. There was a noisy one with the rotary somewhere. Somewhere that way.